Hey, you need to write better. Yes, that's me saying that. But here's the thing. We all have issues with writing. No shame in your game, as long as you use tools to help you. So here we are in a student's blog, and they're done. And you should have tools activated within here. So you can install Grammarly's Chrome plugin. If that can't work on your computer because the school district blocks it or whatever, not a big deal. We're going to try something else. So, and many of you may already know this, but I'm going to copy this whole thing. So Command C, and I'm going to go over to Grammarly's online tool, which is app.grammarly.com. Sign in with your school district credentials. I'm going to click a new doc, and I'm going to click up here. I'm just waiting for it to load. Put the cursor right there, and I'm going to do Command V. I'm going to paste it in there, and it's going to check it and right away start making some comments. So right here you can see it's saying, oh, okay, we need to start a sentence with a capital letter. That comma might not need it. And personal pronoun I. This is a huge one for a lot of you. So you need to have those captured and fixed and so on. So again, when I scroll over, if it's asking for more grammatical changes where you don't have access to because we're not doing the paid account, don't worry about it. You just have to kind of click on here. There we go. There's a personal pronoun I. I'll fix this whole sentence. Yeah. And it changed it, but it's still the same wording that the student had intended. So when you go through here, you can do that stuff. And then you simply, again, I like to start at the bottom, copy all this stuff up here, Command C, and I'm going to go back to the blog post, and I'm going to delete this one just to kind of prove a point, and I'm going to paste it in here. And so now the corrections are all there. And look, when I did that, it activated. Now, I have the plugin for Chrome with Grammarly. And so you can see there's capturing a lot more. Now, I don't know why Grammarly wasn't catching all this stuff. And itch, no, it's supposed to be itch. So it's just helping me point out stuff that isn't working right. And I just want to make sure you knew how to use that tool so that you can have a more professional polish. And as you can see, this doesn't take more than a few minutes once you're done writing. So you should do that at the end of every time you're making a blog post and ready to finally turn it in so that you look more professional. That's it. Thanks so much.